closely at this website. It's consistent, scalable, and designed for growth. That's the power of Levo. Instead of juggling tools or waiting on developers, you can design and launch something like this yourself. Each video in this course is a step toward making this your reality. Now that we've built our pages, the next step is to make sure they look good on all devices. While Levo automatically handles a lot of the heavy lifting, you have full control over how your website looks on every device. Let's understand how responsiveness works in Levo. In Levo, you can design for different viewports, which represent different screen sizes, like desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can switch between these views from the top bar. Levo uses a layout system similar to auto layout. This means elements, layout, and spacing adapts the screen size without manual effort. A very important rule in Levo is cascading styles. This means any change you make in desktop view will automatically apply to tablet and mobile. But any change you make in mobile view, suppose you change this image of hero section on mobile, this will not affect desktop device. So, always start your design on desktop first, then move down to tablet, and finally to mobile. Let's understand responsiveness with a simple example. Here, I've designed this hero section with text on the left and image on the right. Now, when I switch to the tablet view, you can see that. The layout automatically resizes and the design adapts to the screen size. And when I switch to mobile view, it looks squished. On desktop, this side-by-side layout looks great, but on mobile, it doesn't work that way. Here is how you fix it again. Switch to mobile view. Select the container holding your text and image. Go to your layout properties. Look for the direction setting. Change the direction from row or horizontal to column or vertical. Instantly, your text will stack on top of your image, making it perfectly readable for mobile screens. This is the power of Levo's responsive system. For this to work properly, your theme setup is very important. When you start designing, you should always set your theme first, so everything stays consistent across the site. When setting typography, define styles for all 3 devices. For example, on desktop, for H1, use 6XL size. In tablet device, reduce that size to 5XL. And in mobile device, make it 4XL. This helps maintain proper hierarchy without manually adjusting text on every page. Here's some best practice for padding and spacing. In desktop, apply 10XL padding on top and bottom. In tablet, apply 7XL on top and bottom, and 5XL to left and right padding. And in mobile device, apply 5XL on top and bottom, and 2XL to left and right padding. This ensures your layout adapts smoothly across devices. Even though most things work automatically, sometimes you may need small adjustments. For example, if something looks off on any device, like these cards, which appear stretched, we can fix it easily. Click on the card, make sure all items is selected, and reduce the height to 210. This will apply the change to all cards and fix the stretched look. Next, in this block, the upper text is center aligned, but the pointers and CTA are not. To fix this, select the entire element, go to Layout Properties, change alignment from start to center. This will align all the content properly. If you feel the spacing between these 2 elements is too tight, you can increase the spacing of title and CTA from here. Also, you can adjust the direction of this element if needed. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your overall design. Responsive design in Levo is not about redesigning everything. It's about making small adjustments to ensure your design works well on every screen. In the next lesson, we will understand about Levo AI content writing. What are you waiting for? Make your brand go live with Levo.